Hi guys, welcome to the show. I'm really happy you could come today. So nice to see you. I've got a couple of friends I want to introduce to you. First of all, this is my friend Harriet the Hippo. Hello Harriet, how are you? Oh, I'm very well, thank you very much. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just relaxing in the water. It's lovely and cool in here. I just like to go from here to the mud and roll around and then back to the water. Yeah. Are you happy? Oh, I'm very happy, thanks. Yeah. How are you? I'm great. Thank you very much for asking. Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you. And this is Morris the meerkat. Hello, Morris. How are you? Oh, I'm alright. Yeah. Just keeping one eye on the sky. And I've just been digging my hole. I've been making it a little bit bigger because we're gonna have some babies soon. You have some babies? Yeah, we're going to have some little meerkats. They're going to be running around and, it's going to be so much fun, but I need some space for them. So you've been making a big house? Yep, basically, just digging. Yeah, it's very, very tiring. Well, it's nice you're out. Oh, yeah, I came out for a bit of sunshine and, say hello. Well, very nice to see you, Morris. Very nice to see you. And I've got another friend as well. This friend has come all the way from China. And this is my friend, Polly the Panda. Hello, Polly. Hello. How are you? Oh, I'm very well, thank you. What are you eating? Oh, this. I've got some bamboo. I love bamboo. It's what I eat. I eat lots and lots of bamboo. Oh, really? Yeah. I'm a bear. I'm black and white, and I live in China, like you said. And basically, I just, I live in the bamboo forest, and I just love eating bamboo. That's what I eat all the time. You don't eat anything else? No. I just like bamboo. Yeah, just eating it and munching it. Oh, it's lovely. It's very, very chewy. I like it very, very much. Oh, great. Yeah, well, I've never tried bamboo, but oh no, you should. Yeah. It's not for everybody, but I like it, and I think it's great. I really like it. Well, okay, wonderful. All right, and I've got somebody else that I'd like you guys to meet as well. Now, doesn't often meet up with pandas or with meerkats, or sometimes with meerkats, and they see hippos. This is Lenny the Lion. Hello, Lenny, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, right now I'm looking at Polly's bamboo, and I've never had bamboo either. Oh, well, you could try one of my leaves if you like. Oh, well, yeah, maybe later. So, Lenny, what have you been doing? Oh, just stretching out in the sun and enjoying the lovely weather. And sometimes I have a bit of lunch, and then maybe I have a little sleep. I'm a big cat, and we cats love to sleep. And I don't like the water, really. So I don't think I'd be going in there with Holly the Hippo. And I don't dig holes, so I'm not going to be down there with Morris. But no offence, Morris, but and I know you got kids coming, right? So you've got to have a bit of space. So I basically just live on. I just live under trees, and I try and find some shade when it gets hot. And then I spend time with my family, and sometimes I run around, but most of the time I just walk slowly, and I just relax. I like it though. I like it. Yeah, well, great. Yeah, and tell me if you like Polly's bamboo. Oh yeah. I will. Yeah, no, yeah, of course. All right, now my last friend that I want you guys to meet today is Colin. And Colin is a crocodile. Can you just come up a bit, please, Lion? Yeah, sure. Hello, Colin. Oh, hello. Oh, is that your teeth? Yeah. I've got very sharp teeth. I've got a lot of teeth. So what do you do? Well, like Holly, I like the water. I like to lie in the sun though as well. So, you know, unlike Lenny, I like the sunshine. I like to be out in the sun because I am a reptile. And if I don't have any sun, I'll just get very, very cold and I'll get very, very sleepy. So I like to kind of lay around in the sun until I get warm enough and then I'll go for a swim and maybe have a look for something to eat. Oh, okay, yeah. So what else do you do? Oh, not much really. You know, I swim around a lot, and I like playing in the water. Yeah, it's very cool in the water as well, and I like to swim. But you know, that's just it. I just like to to enjoy myself. Yeah, yeah. I have fun. I have fun. Oh, and I've never had bamboo either. Is it nice, Polly? Oh, yeah. It's very nice. Would you like to try some? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, let me come down. I can give you some. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, yeah, it is actually very nice, yeah. Thank you very much, Polly. Oh, that's very nice of you. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming today. It's been lovely to see you. And I will say goodbye. And you... Okay. Yeah, bye, everybody. See you. Bye. Bye, don't forget, try some bamboo when you can. Okay, bye. Enjoy the water. Yeah, but remember, if you're in the water, be safe. Okay, make sure that, someone's around to watch you. Yeah, it can be very, bit dangerous in the water, so be careful. Have fun, though. And don't forget, if you're out in the sun, don't forget to wear your sunblock. Otherwise, you're going to get sunburn. Isn't that right, Lenny? Oh, yeah. Well, I don't actually have any sun cream. So, but I just, stay under the tree. That works for me. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Lovely to see you.